Dear comrades, on behalf of the Central Committee of the Front of the Communist Youth, I would like to bring you our warmest greeting. We were pleased to receive your invitation for such important and historical moment for your organization. A moment that clearly represents how the need of a socialist change is actual and alive in a system based on a systematic exploitation of the workers, a system that produces war, environmental destruction, and the rising of obscurantism and fascist forces as unavoidable aspects of its existence. It is encouraging and indicative that this day, in which we celebrate the 25th anniversary of your organization, is run by the youth. As Vladimir Lenin said, the youth is the strongest flame of revolution. The history proves how these words are true. The youth has always provided the strongest and the most generous forces in the struggle and in the revolutionary changes. The best youth of our countries shed its blood with courage in the glorious experience of the anti-fascist partisan war, an experience in which Italian and Yugoslavian partisans were on the same front against the Nazi-fascist barbarity. The socialist and progressive youth began to build an international solidarity for a lasting peace from the ruin of the Second World Conflict by establishing the World Federation of Democratic Youth, starting its glorious history of struggles against the imperialism, and today we are proud to sit as members in this organization, carrying on our shoulders the honor and the commitment to be responsible for its future struggle. Nowadays, we still retain as fundamental the role of the youth inside the working class movement and the communist organization. Many of us, young communists, were born after the end of the Soviet experience. Despite the great propaganda of the bourgeoisie and its wide mediatic apparatus about the historical experience of socialism, it deeply clashed with the economical and social reality of our era, in which imperialism, the actual, valid, and definitive phase of capitalistic development, presents as its most unhuman and cruel phase, condemning the people to war, misery, religious obscurity, lack of rights, and exploitation. This shows us our struggle is not just correct, but also necessary. Comrades, we breathe this day as a moment to confirm the historical responsibility that we, as Communist Youth Organization, carry in front of the people of the world, for the construction of a system in which each one can be the owner of his destiny, in which no one could appropriate the life and the work of other human beings. A system without exploitation, misery, and war that we call socialism. We look to the 21st century as a time of struggle and conquest, conscious that international solidarity will be one of the most powerful means for our action. The best youth of the world is with us in the struggle. Long live Proletarian Internationalists, long live World Federation of Democratic Youth, Smrt fascizmu, sloboda narodu.